welcome back to Zola's Feast. Happy 2025 everybody. It's our first video of the year. To all my regular subscribers, hi guys, welcome home. To anybody new here, make sure you join the Zola's Feast family and hit that subscribe button right now. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love lychees. For me, it always feels like the season is really short, so I make sure I eat my fair share of lychees, but I want to prolong these for long after the season's over. So I thought that since I have them in such abundance, let's preserve some. So basically we're gonna can them in a sugar syrup, and then we can save them and use them for desserts, for cocktails, or just to snack on. Yep, let's cook.
Start by preparing your lychees. First of all, make sure you wash them, because any fruit that you're using, even if it has a skin, you need to make sure you wash it so that you're not cross-contaminating. Okay, so peel the lychee and then remove the seed, essentially. So what I do is I use the stem to kind of start the peeling, then I peel it all around, then use a knife just to cut a little slit for you to sort of find the pip, and then you can just pull it out. Easy peasy.
Final lychee done. These are now ready for the syrup. So let's make the syrup to preserve these.
For the syrup, it's 1 part sugar to 2 parts water. So not the same ratio as a regular syrup, which is 1:1, because for lychees, I like it to be a little bit thinner. I also add a vanilla pod, which I keep whole. I don't split it because I don't want the seed to release. Give that a stir, then bring to the boil.
Once the syrup has come to the boil, turn off the heat, then pop the lychees in gently. And then just cover and leave to cool to room temperature.
Once cooled, the lychees are now ready to go into sterilized jars. So to avoid making a huge mess, I spoon out the lychees into the jar, and then I pour on the syrup. Don't forget the vanilla pod. It will continue to release the flavor, so definitely put it into the jar as well.
Here they are, our delicious preserved lychees. So excited. So my suggestion is that you wait about a week. So pop this in the fridge and then leave them for a week just so that the syrup gets extra lychee flavor, and then they're ready to use. So serve them with a scoop or two of vanilla ice cream. My personal favorite way is to make a lychee martini. Delish. Yeah, that's it. Lychees to make us happy way beyond the season. Guys, I'll see you in the next Zola's Feast. Make sure that you hit that like button, comment down below, and also make sure you subscribe and join the family. Until next time, see you then. Happy cooking. Bye guys.